I have some additional circuitry over here which I'm going to use to calibrate my servo. I wrote a couple other small programs. The first one is designed to help me to find an accurate minimum point for my servo. So this is my servo's current 0 position. As I adjust the dial over here, I'm going to tweak the 0 position for the servo. It's high or it's low. If I try to make it too low, the servo grinds away. I can find the minimum easily by listening and watching. When the grinding isn't so bad, and just before the servo starts to move away from its 0 position. Experimentally, I have found that a good mu 0 for this servo is about 490. The next program I wrote is the same program, but this time to find the maximum position of the servo. So right now that's my maximum position. I'm writing 180. Numbers higher than 180 do not change the position of the servo any further. 180 is the maximum, 0 is the minimum. So this one's a little touchy. If I go too high or too low, it does weird things. So here I'm in a good range, and I'm slowly increasing the maximum position of the servo. This is done by detaching and reattaching, so occasionally it twitches as the servo is removed and then re-added. And here I'm quite clearly not able to change the position of the servo any further. If I go too far, it goes back again. So that is clearly the maximum. And the value, according to my terminal, which first achieves that maximum position, is approximately 2,560. So I feed both of those into another program that shows me what the change I have achieved is. This is my default servo attach using the numbers 544 and 2400 according to the servo documentation. With the help of this piece of paper, I can show that the range of motion of the servo is a little bit less than the asked for 180 degrees. It's close, but not quite. So this is now with the adjustments. You can see that the pin of the servo now buries itself in one side of the paper. It's just slightly more than 180 degrees now.